Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexia. Thank you for watching, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting. But today's video is just going to be a productive day in my life routine. I do have class later on at 6:30 in the evening, so I decided to show y'all, all the time I have to show you what a productive day in my life will look, specifically in the morning. So right now I'm just doing the usual, just brushing my teeth and washing my face. I use the CeraVe face wash, and then you also see me use the Listerine. The only different thing I did in this routine right here is I used the face mask, the Freeman one. I think it's the cucumber clay mask, yeah, that one. So yeah, that's all I did so far. Yeah, so this is just the face mask I was talking about, the Freeman. It's called the Rejuvenating Cucumber Clay Mask. This mask was really good. It actually did smell very fresh, like just like cucumbers. It did leave my skin feeling very hydrated and very smooth and just looked refreshed, as it said. So I really did like this face mask. I don't usually use face masks, like if you know, you know. I just stick to one routine and that's it. But I'm like, listen, why not use it? I have a bunch of them just sitting there, and it won't hurt just to use a face mask here or there. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys like my regular face routine. I just use witch hazel on my face, and then I use the Good Molecules. You're gonna see the Good Molecules. I think it's like the color correcting one. That one's, I really like that. I don't know the exact name. I know it's Good Molecules. And here I'm using the lip sugar scrub I got from Shop Miss A, and I use this like lip scrubber thing that I got from Dollar Tree. My lips get very, very dry after I wash my face for some reason, so like I have to do this. But yeah, I just scrub it. It leaves it really soft, really smooth. And then I just go on top with the lip oil that I got from Dollar Tree, the mango lip oil. And then in the end, I seal my face in with just Pond's lotion. But yeah, I really do like that lip scrub because it's not so harsh on the lips, but it's also exfoliating enough, you know?
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
Okay, so after my face routine, I just start getting started on my laundry. The way I do laundry is I separate it from white color clothes, dark color clothes, and light color clothes. I try to get laundry done like, every week or every 2 weeks at most, but like I have a lot of clothes. But I do try to get it done as much as possible. But here I'm just putting it in the washing machine. And then I'm going to use the Tide, laundry detergent. I do put a lot. Like, if my mom would see this right now, she would freak out because she hates when we do that. But I don't know, like, it just never feels like enough soap. You feel me? So, and plus this was a large load. The dark color clothes, it was a lot of them. So I felt like I needed a lot. And then I just go in with a fabric softener. I don't know the exact scent for this one. I think it's like fresh. I just go in with that, and that's about it. I usually would go with the Tide pods too, but we didn't have any more. Okay, now before I get to cleaning, I did want to go grab some food. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't be cooking like that. I just be so lazy, and sometimes there don't be nothing to cook. So I just go outside to go grab food. I just went to the Jamaican spot right by my house, and I just got some cornmeal porridge. Or I would get a sandwich too from the corner store, but I wasn't really in the mood for that. But yeah. In here, I was just tidying up my dresser, putting stuff away where they belong. Just make sure everything is nice and neat. I do spray down my dresser with an all-purpose cleaning spray and just wipe it down. There's still gonna be like some spots there, but that's not really spots. That's glue, nail glue, because I'm always doing my nails on my dresser. But apart from that, I'm just wiping down dust and just things like that.
Straight up.
Okay, here I'm just putting my sister's stuff back in her room because she loves to put her clothes in my room, as you can see. So I'm just pretending it back in her room. And I'm just cleaning up my hair area because that tends to get dirty. A lot of the hair oil and the grease and the jam be all on it. So I just like to clean it and also spray down my hair chair also. Even though I don't do hair like that, just putting that out there. I don't do hair like that anymore. I still like keep the chair clean because I do still do family and friends here. But yeah. Okay, next I am clearing everything off my bed. Usually I would take my bed sheets and pillowcases and the comforter off and go wash it. But these are new bed sheets and comforter and pillowcases that I got, and I already cleaned them once I got it, so that's why I didn't put them in the wash. But yeah, I'm just laying it out, making sure everything is nice and neat.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
And after fixing my bed, I like to top it off with this fabric freshener. It smells really good. This one is a paradise scent, so it's very fruity, but not too much. I just like it. Keeps the bed smelling nice and clean. And I'm just sweeping my floors, and that's about it for the room part. Okay, now onto the bathroom. Just putting all my hair tools away under the sink, and I'm cleaning off everything that's on top of the sink. And I'm going to be using this bathroom foaming cleanser. That's what it's called. And I also use Ajax to clean the inside of my sink. So I'll just wipe around everything else with the spray, and then spray and use Ajax in the sink itself and scrub it down. Sorry if I keep looking at the camera, y'all. I just want to make sure that the camera is recording because sometimes it goes in and out of focus. So if you see me looking at the camera, that's why.
Brings me that. 30 hertz straight up.
And next for the toilet, I'm using the same products, you know, just the Ajax and the spray. I'm just scrubbing inside the toilet and the outer part of the toilet itself too. I didn't clean the bathtub in this part because I cleaned the bathtub like literally like 2 days ago, so it wasn't really necessary for me to clean it. But if I were to clean the bathtub, I will also use Ajax and that spray.
Brings me that. 30 hertz straight up.
To make sure my bathroom floor is extra clean, I use that all-purpose spray and I spray it all around the bathroom floor. Then I use the rag and I wipe it. I could mop the bathroom floor, but honestly, y'all, this feels more like, I don't know how to explain it. I just feel like I get it more clean when I do it this way rather than using a mop. It just feels more like I'm getting in everything. But next, I'm just in the shower doing my basic shower routine. I do have a full self-care routine, like in full detail of everything I use and everything I do for you guys, so you guys should go check that out. But yeah, you know, this is my basic shower routine, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys the products that I'm going to use. I didn't show me putting it on because I'm not trying to be monetized on YouTube for nudity or whatever. But I'm just showing y'all the products. The 10 Skin is something that I've been trying because if you know, I use the PFB or PBF, whatever it is. I used that, but I ran out, and I heard that 10 Skin is also kind of the same thing. So I wanted to give it a try. Everything else, like the lotion and body spray and stuff, it honestly just depends on my preference. I change it up like every day. And next, I'm just lighting my candle to make sure my room smells good. Y'all, this scent, if you want your room to smell like fresh laundry all day, this is it. This is it. I'm telling you, like, I love that scent. But for the rest of the video, you know, I'm just going to be doing my schoolwork as I wait for the rest of my laundry to finish, and that's about it. And then, you know, get ready for school. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post. Thank you.